Facebook. Make sure you have clothes on, though, okay? Don't be like trying to, okay, And I do Skype on Saturday mornings with parents and their kids. They come on Skype and ask Danger Man about tips and stuff for, for their kids. And, and I tell people, okay, please have clothes on when you do that, okay? Because this is a G-rated superhero, okay? But we have fun, we do some good work, and, because our kids are very important. That's our future, and we need to look out for them and keep them safe as we can.
Oh, no, you ain't. Come on.
We have no fear, the Danger Man is here, and, so we do good work, and, just happy to be down here tonight to let you know what's going on out there, and I do a lot of updates, and, so you guys just, check in on me and see what I'm doing. This whole thing, I used to always wonder when I was a kid, I was like, what did superheroes do with their clothes? When Clark Kent always turned into Superman, like, what did he do with his clothes? Where did they go? Did he, like, put them behind a rock or something somewhere and go back and get them later? All right, So, when this is my second Danger Man costume, I've been Danger Man for like 13 years. My first one I had a lot of problems with because it had a big zipper down the back, okay? And so I had a problem going to the bathroom. I used to have to take one of my assistants and say, well, will you unzip me so I can go use the bathroom, what I'm saying? It was a lot of drama, but then 9/11 I changed and got this slim, two-piece Danger Man costume, and it helps me. I can change anywhere now. Since they don't have phone booths, it's kind of hard now. Sometimes to change in a car, change in a trunk or something, or a gas station, and people like, yes, can I help you? I said, yes, I need to change. Can I use your restroom? And but being a superhero is real cool because you get a lot of respect. Sometimes you get free meals. You go in and go in a restaurant and say, oh yeah, you want a free hamburger? Okay. Can you get them kids off the parking lot door? We give you a free hamburger. Hey. So it's cool stuff. It's a life of joy, and you get to see smiling faces of kids, and and get to help a lot of people. I was down at the Special Olympics this morning down in Long Beach. Giving trophies and talking to kids, and we had a good time. They asked me, and when I go to real young kids, the first thing they want to know, Danger Man, can you fly? Yeah, a couple of kids came here earlier and said, Danger Man, can you fly? I said, well, I said they want me to like fly around the lunchroom and fly down the hall on the playground, and I said, no, I can't fly, but I got a fast car, and my Mustang out there. Oh, okay, Danger Man. Then when I go do a high school, those kids want to know, oh man, what's up, brother? Now, do you get paid? Do you get paid? That's all I want to know. You get paid? Can I get me one of them suits, okay? So, and I told them, well, it's not really about getting paid. It's about the benefit of what we do, and about, the end of the day, the difference that you've made, and, so that's what I really, that's what I really do. And they said, well, still, brother, do you get paid? So. But, well, look, guys, I'm not going to hold up the stage. I just wanted to come up here and, let you know who I was, who I am, and what I'm doing. Say hello to everybody on this NBA
Danger Man.
NBA Day, yes.
Do the riff.
Do the riff? I did do the riff. You got to do my riff, okay. I do a little of the riff. This is my Danger Man rap. Swooping down, way high from the sky. I'm a real tough guy. No lie, I'm fly. Danger! I'm no stranger to it. I'm the urban superhero. If anybody can do it, you know I can do it. Watch me float like fluid. Bad guys just blew it. No, I'm not the Man of Steel, but I'm keeping it real. I'm not a hater or the Cape Crusader. Don't misconstrue it. I'm dangerous, man. I got a heart and soul and always a master plan ooh, see, yeah, I'm going so fast. I'm a urban superhero. Danger Man is my name. Watch me cut that zero. Bring heat like De Niro. Don't fear no individual. Just tell the kids to just say no in the year 2010. Criminals know to show caution with my crew, because you don't want Danger Man after you. All on your back, all on your crack, all on your face, all in your face. I don't waste time when I'm fighting crime. Danger Man is here, and it'll all be fine. Yeah! I'm Danger Man, the one the buzz is about. And when I come to town, the bad guys creep out. Hey, you guys have a good evening, okay? Thanks a lot. Yeah! All right.
Danger Man! Wait a minute, that's a jam right there. Wait a minute. Exciting. She's so exciting to me. I'm gonna leave a singer up to YB up there. You know what I'm saying? But before we do that, we're gonna do this. We got a little 5-year